For today's small group activity, friends, we're going to be writing our names. A lot of you friends have already learned how to write your own name, but we can take some time and try to learn how to write our other friends' names too. So Valentine's Day is coming up. If you wanted to write a Valentine note for your friends, you'll know how to write their names. Also, writing your friends' names will help you write other letters of the alphabet as well. So let's begin. We have 13 friends, so we have 13 names that we're going to write today. Let's start with our first name. Let's see who will write first. For the letter I, we start every name with a capital letter. The big letters are supposed to be the first letter of your name. I wrote 2 short horizontal lines, then I connect them together with 1 vertical. What letter do I have? The letter I. There I have a horizontal or leaning line to make the letter V. I'm going to do another horizontal line, but this time this horizontal line will be longer. I-V-Y. Which friend is that? Ivy. Let's move on to friend number 2. We'll start with a longer horizontal line, then we'll go down diagonal or leaning line, then we're going to do 1 more horizontal line going backwards. What letter did we write, friends? The letter Z. Then we're going to write the letter O. O is just a circle all the way around. For the letter E, Miss Bratton likes to start with a short horizontal line. Then I like to make a circle around it. For the letter E, what friend's name did we write, friends? Zoe. Let's move on to friend number 3. We're going to start always with a capital or a big letter first. What letter is that, friends? C. Now we need a long vertical line. Then we're going to come over and down. The letter H. For the letter A, we can make the letter C, then put a short vertical line beside it. For the letter A. For the little S, it's tricky. You have to curve around, curve down, and back that direction. For the letter A, S. So we're going to do another E, horizontal line. And right here, we're going to start our next curve line and come around and back up. For the letter E, what name did we write this time, friends? Chase. Awesome, friends. You're doing a great job writing these friends' names and reading them. Let's move on to friend number 4. We're going to start with a long vertical line. We're going to come around with a little belly and stop in the middle. Then right there where we stopped, we're going to bring a short diagonal line. For the letter R. Now for the letter Y, we do our diagonal line, just like here in Ivy's name, and then a longer diagonal line in the other direction for the letter Y. For the letter L, we come down for a long, straight, vertical line for the letter L. Then we need another A. Remember our C, then a short vertical line. Now we need the letter N. I start with a short vertical line, then I curve around and come down, just like in my letter H, curved around and come down. Whose name is this, friends? Rylan. Great reading. Let's move on to friend number 5. For this letter, we're going to come straight down, curve around for the letter D. That's right. You remember, friends. Now we need another Y. vertical line, short, vertical line, long. Excuse me, a horizontal line, leaning. And we need a long vertical line for the letter L, a circle for the letter O, and we need the letter N. Remember, a short vertical line, curve around, come down. Whose name did we write, friends? Dylan! Awesome reading these friends' names. Let's move on to friend number 6. Now, friends, let's make a long vertical line, then a short horizontal line over to the right for the letter L. A capital L is different from the lowercase l. We'll use a short vertical line, put a dot on top for the letter I. Now we need another S. Remember, we curve, come down, and curve around. It's a lot of curving for an S. And the letter C with a short vertical line for the letter A. Whose name is this, friends? Lisa! All right, let's move on to our next friend, number 7. All right, friends, I want you to come down with a long vertical line, and let's put a dot there, right in the middle. We're gonna do a leaning or horizontal line going up, then a leaning horizontal line going down to make the letter K. Then we need a letter Y, leaning horizontal line short, leaning horizontal line long. Then we need our letter N, a C with a long vertical line for the letter D, a C with a short vertical line for the letter A, and a long vertical line for the letter L. Whose name is this, friends? Kendall! Friends, you are reading awesomely well. Now let's move on to friend number 8. All right, let's do a short horizontal line with a long vertical line for the letter T. Now we're going to do a short vertical line with a top curve and stop for a lowercase r. Then we're going to do a short vertical line with the dot for the lowercase I. And we're going to make another S. So we have to curve around, curve back down. Then we're going to do a long vertical line and a short horizontal in the middle for a lowercase t. Uppercase T, lowercase t. We're going to make our letter C and put a short vertical line for letter A. Short vertical line, curve around, come down for the letter N. Whose name is this, friends? Tristan! You guys are reading so well. All right, friends. Now, let us start at the top, and we're going to do lean-in lines or horizontal. I'm going to go horizontal this way, and then I'm going to lean my line horizontal that way, like an upside-down V. Then we're going to connect those lines in the middle for a capital A. Now we're going to do another lean-in line, but a small horizontal line. And then we're going to do another horizontal line going in the opposite direction for the letter X. A long vertical line for the letter L. A short horizontal line. And we're going to curve up, come around for the letter E. Whose name is that, friends? Axel! You guys are reading so well. Let's continue. Friend number 10. Awesome. We're going to start with the long vertical line. Come around, stop in the middle. and then a leaning or diagonal line going to the bottom for that capital letter R. The letter C with a short horizontal line to make A. We're going to make a long vertical line. We're going to go up diagonally, down diagonally to make the lowercase k. See the difference? Lowercase k, uppercase k. Short vertical line with the dot for the letter I. Diagonal short line. Diagonal long line to make the letter Y. We're going to start with the letter C and add another short vertical line to make a lowercase a. A long vertical line, curve around, come down to make the letter H. Whose name is this, friends? Rakaya. Let's move on to friend number 11. You guys are reading so well. We're going to make a vertical line down, and we're going to curve that belly all the way to the bottom this time for the letter D, capital D. Then we need a short horizontal line, curve around for the letter E. We're going to come down, go around, and come up for the letter U. Watch me, U. We need a letter N, so a short vertical, curve around, come all the way down for the letter N. We're going to do a letter C with a long vertical to make a lowercase d. Uppercase D, lowercase d. Now we need a lowercase r. A short vertical line, curve around and stop. Now we need a lowercase c with a vertical line to make the letter A. Then we need one more E. Whose name did we write this time, friends? DeAndre. Friends, you are reading so well. We're moving down to friend number 12. We have 13 friends, so we only have one more to go. For this one, we're going to put a horizontal line at the top. Then we're going to come down with a vertical line and curve it up to the left. Curve, don't forget to curve it up to make the letter J. Now we need the letter C with a short vertical line to make the letter A. A short vertical line with a dot for the letter I. We're going to make another C, but this time we're going to make a long vertical line to make a lowercase d. We need an E, so we're going to start with that horizontal line, curve it around, and we have a lowercase e. Line down, curve around, and down for the letter N. Whose name is this, friends? Jaden. Awesome. We're going to move on to friend number 13. This is our last friend in our class so far. We're going to do a line all the way down vertically. This time we'll need 1, 2, 3 horizontal lines, short. 1, 2, 3 for the letter E, a capital E and a lowercase e. Then we'll need a C with a short vertical line to make the letter A, lowercase a, capital A. Let's make that letter S. Remember, we curve around and curve back around. We need a long vertical line with a short horizontal for the lowercase t. For the letter O, it's a circle. And we need the letter N, a short vertical. Come around and down for the lowercase n. Whose name is this, friends? Easton. Friends, you did an awesome job writing and reading your names today. So keep practicing and we can get everyone's name and learn all of our alphabets and how to write them.